Welcome to the eBusiness Boss channel. If you haven't been here before, hello, my name is Nick. I'm a full-time Amazon seller, and in this video, I am going to show you a crazy Amazon product research technique. Now, I say this is crazy because you can literally take most ideas using this technique that might be incredibly competitive, and you can make them possible. So possible for you as a seller that's just starting out. So using this method, you're going to be able to take very, very high competition product ideas, and I'm going to show you the way I use to see if I can find a slightly different twist on that product in order for me or you to find a way in. So if you are new here, or maybe you just watch my videos and you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications bell. That way, you'll be the first to know about useful videos just like this. And we do drop a useful video every week. Okay, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump straight into this method. Now, the product idea you can see on screen is simply an indoor doormat. Okay, now you can do this with any idea. You can try this out, and I bet this will be much more efficient than other research methods you've been using, because you can tell very, very quickly. If you were to do all of this manually, it would take you days, I think. So the product idea we're going with is an indoor doormat. Now, that is going to be a very, very popular item. So let's just have a look. On Amazon, we can see here, okay, 4 sponsored listings at the top, thousands of reviews. So if these listings have got thousands of reviews and they're bidding at the top of this page, you can tell this is very, very competitive, okay, because they're going to be spending a lot of money competing with each other to be there. So the top organic listings, we've got, 10,000 reviews, 3,000 reviews, 1,500 reviews. This one, I don't know how this one's snuck up here with only 26 reviews, but on the whole, it's a very, very competitive product idea. So I think if you would say to anyone, I think I want to try and sell sort of indoor doormats on Amazon, you think, well, every house has got one. They're going to be very, very competitive by now, okay? And I think that they'd be right, because look, this looks very, very competitive. Now, I'm going to show you how you could take this idea and see if there is a route in for you to sell a mat. Okay, so today, and as always, as you guys will know, I use Helium 10's tool. I use all of their tools, and to be honest, I use them on a regular basis. Most days, a member of our team will use a Helium 10 tool every day. There's no doubt about that. But the tool we're going to be looking at today is Blackbox. If you want to sign up to use this tool, you can get 50% off your first month by using the coupon code EBOSS50. I'll put all of this in the description below. If you do use it, we will make a commission. It's only fair that we mention that. We always mention it. So but if you want to use it, don't pay full price, because you just get half price. Even if you just want to try it out, what have you got to lose? So go on to Blackbox, and what we're going to do, so we've got the idea. We want to look at indoor doormats, or just mats, okay? Now, what we're going to do is use their tool called Blackbox, and first and foremost, what you're going to do is set the categories that this product would probably fall into. So here we've gone home and kitchen, and we've gone kitchen and dining. Okay, we've set a minimum monthly revenue of 5,000 a month. We've set the price range between 20 and 50. Okay, now you don't have to follow these exact filters, but you'll see why I do anyway. Review count, we're going up to a max here of 180. Okay, because I compete with products on Amazon, even if it's a new product that might even have 300 or 400 reviews. But I'm experienced. You might not be. But with the right product offering, with the right idea, with the right expertise, you can compete. But for this example, we're looking for lower competition products. Okay. Now, this is the important bit. Now, in here, I've put the word floor. Okay. Now, you could do this with lots of other words, but you could put in here mat. That could work. You could put in here, indoor. But really, I'm interested in finding products that go on the floor. Okay, so they have to have floor in the title. So I've already done this just to speed this up for you, but all you would do is just click search. So it's going to load up just so you can see this is exactly what I've done. And what we're asking Blackbox to do is to find a product opportunity to fit this criteria with this word in the title. Okay, so if we start scrolling down, this is the product I found using this method. So if we remember, on this page here, there were loads and loads of products with thousands and thousands of reviews. And because it's competitive, these sellers are going to be making lots and lots of money. Now, let's just have a look to see what sort of sales these sellers are sort of bringing in on a monthly basis. The tool I'm using here is Helium 10's Chrome extension. It's a brilliant tool. So yeah, let's have a look. So this is competitive. So the top 7 listings are doing over $100,000 a month. Okay, $100,000 a month, and they've got loads of reviews. Look, the top listing here is selling 27,000 of these mats on a monthly basis. As we know, that's just going to be too competitive for us if we're starting out. You might have, quite a small budget. You might be quite inexperienced. But the product idea we've found is this. So this is a different type of mat to go on the floor. It's a different type. It's a variation. So we were just looking at indoor floor mats, okay? But what we've done using Helium 10's Black Box tool is we found a route in. We found a mat that sells really, really well on Amazon that we could actually go and sell, because this listing here is doing over $5,000 a month, and they've only got 91 reviews. Okay, 91 reviews. So this is powerful. And this means also, you look at this sort of thing as well, because look at the age of it. If a listing's just appeared, then yeah, you can't be completely sure if they've just popped up using sort of black hat tactics and they're going to be gone tomorrow. So look for some evidence that this has been selling for some time, which it has. So this product is very, very simple. It's a floor mat, okay? But it's one really that's used in restaurants, used, in different areas. You could use it in the house, and I think people do, in the bathroom, but it's a different type. It's finding a different angle for you. And I call this a crazy product research method, because you really can see if there is a place that you could actually enter the market, okay, with the most competitive ideas out there. So this is why I use Helium 10. This is why I use Black Box, and I try and release videos showing you guys all the different ways we use Helium 10 and their tools. This is another way, and I haven't spoken about it before. It's how you can use the filters of Black Box effectively. Lots of people like me will come onto YouTube and talk to you about, sign up to Helium 10, it's so great. But are they actually showing you specifically how to use it? And with little hacks like this is an idea, something I picked up a little while ago, and I thought, I'm not sure if I told you guys about it. So I thought I'd make this video. But you can see I've taken a very, very competitive product idea and found a route in. So $25.99, that's what we can sell this for. I'm pretty sure we could source this on Alibaba, something like that, for quite a low amount, and that could be a brilliant product starter for you. Now, another thing I like to do is have a look at the sort of history over the last year. So this is what I refer to as the keeper graph. So if you download the Helium 10 Chrome extension, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. You'll be able to see all this data. And the lower this pink line, the more sales. So the lower this pink line goes, the more sales the listing's making. And it's good to see if this product has been around over the course of the last year, okay, which it has. And this has been doing really, really well. Now, as we saw on Black Box, it was doing just over 5,000 a month. So let's just double check that in Helium 10 to make sure it is doing those sorts of numbers. And yeah, this is a technique that I think all of you could use. And most of you have probably got Helium 10, but yeah, if you want to qualify product ideas, this is how you should do it. If you want to dive in deeper and find a route in for you, even if you're an established seller, you can use this method, because you're just going to be able to find product wins, bring them in, sell them, your sales are going to increase. So you can see they even do another variation here. So they've got 2 variations. Between the two, looks like they're doing over 10,000 a month. Okay, so impressive. So the other mat they sell is a 36 by 60 inch. The first is a 24 by 36 inch. So there's loads of things you could do with this. Yeah, I think it's a really, really great way to find product ideas that you can actually go ahead with. So I hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, jump in the comments below. If you want to take things further, we do have some Amazon training. It's not as expensive as most Amazon courses out there at the moment. Anyway, we've got a ridiculous discount deal on. So I'll leave details of that in the description below, but we're trying to put out the best value course we can out there for the lowest possible price, because if you're starting out on Amazon, the majority of your money needs to go into your product, okay? So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and there's going to be more useful content coming from us very, very soon. Thanks.